How to make pizza sauce from fresh tomatoes? Well, you can make light, fresh, and delicious pizza sauce without effort with roasted tomatoes that pairs so very well with homemade cheese spread toasted on a pizza and even a roti pizza cracker. Sounds interesting, right? You won't ever forget this combination, that's a promise. When Ravneet Bhalla shares something, it has got to be a healthy recipe and an easy one to agree. But before beginning with the best pizza sauce recipe Indian, I would request you to subscribe to the channel if you are new here and also press the bell icon for notifications to my healthy recipe updates. So let's get started with the tomato sauce recipe. Let's roast the tomato slices in an oven or air fryer. Smear tomato slices with extra virgin olive oil. I have also used garlic in the tomato sauce for pizza because it lends aroma and flavor to the sauce. Make sure the oil coats both sides of tomatoes as well as garlic. The addition of oil to tomatoes during cooking is crucial to increasing the bioavailability of lycopene, which is an antioxidant and helps reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease as well as cancer. Sprinkle a little amount of salt to speed up the cooking process. Now bake at 160 degrees Celsius 20 to 25 minutes or longer in an oven. I always use two levels for baking in an air fryer to maximize its capacity. That's my Indian jugaad. Roasted tomatoes and garlic are full of aroma. Tomatoes cooked are healthier than raw tomatoes as cooking with fat improves lycopene bioavailability and makes the fruit heart healthier. Where does the tomato get its color from? Well, the color comes from lycopene, which is an antioxidant, and tomatoes are its biggest source. Besides being packed with folate, potassium, vitamin C, and vitamin K, cooked tomatoes are healthier than raw tomatoes as cooking with fat improves its lycopene bioavailability. Blend them together with oregano, black salt, black pepper powder, and Kashmiri red chili powder for color. Your delicious homemade pizza sauce is ready. Wasn't that easy? I smeared tomato sauce along with homemade cheese spread on a roti pizza cracker. The end result was awesomely flavored and yum treat. Please try out the tomato sauce recipe and share your feedback. Ravneet Bhalla would love to hear back.